a new side-by-side. So this is a 2015 Polaris Rzr 1000. Check it out, it's blue. So this thing is a beauty. He's almost done mowing, so we'll wait a minute. So it's a little windy out here, but this sucker was in my hometown. It had aftermarket rims with 30-inch tires on it. It's got the stock suspension, but it's got upgraded high-rise control arms. Same within the back, it's got the Super ATV, extra ground clearance control arms. I don't know. It's got some pack outs, which is nice. I put a chase bar on the back. It's got billet mounts for the second reservoirs. Light bar. And then interior, I put a key tag on it. Yeah. If you ask me, pretty sharp unit. Let's head down there to the bottoms and rip this thing around, see what it's capable of.
Hey guys, it's Jake and Deacon here. Justin has this real big problem with scaring the out of me. He wants to jump the side-by-side over Deacon and I. I told him no. He hasn't paid me in over a year. So we're not gonna be doing any of that.
So that is the end of this video. I forgot to film an outro while we're out there, so I'm here in the garage back at home. But if you liked it, leave a like down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I got tons of videos coming out. I've already filmed up 2 on my Mustang. If you guys don't know what the Mustang is and you're new, go down in the channel and you'll see some old videos of the Mustang. I got 2 of those filmed up. We're working on the floor pans and basically putting a new floor in it along with a manual transmission and a ton of other goodies. So you don't want to miss those videos that are going to be coming out soon. Along with, I got a ton of mods that we did to the side-by-side, like the winch and the chase bar in the back and some auxiliary lighting. So you don't want to miss those videos as well. So that is going to be pretty sick. Along with, it's messy on the floor here, but there's no project currently in the garage because I've made room for the jet ski. My arm's getting tired from holding the camera. It's sore. We just had a long weekend. I went out wakeboarding, but sidetracked. The jet ski that blew up last spring, well, the head was gone all summer and I got it back in the fall and now spring's back around. So it is time to get the engine back together and throw them back in the jet ski. So stay tuned for that, as well as I got some truck content. So lots of videos. You don't want to miss them. So subscribe and turn on the notifications. And yeah, We're posting 100 videos before 2027, so stay tuned for all of those, and I'll see you guys on the next ones. On the next one, not next ones. And peace out. Bye.